There once was a man who rode on a bus, who tried to multiply a plus by a plus. And lo and behold, the man on the bus came by the answer of a positive plus. Yet another man, this one on a train, tried a plus by a minus, racking his brain. What could be this answer of mine? It can only be a negative sign. The same is true for minus by plus, SMS'd the clever old man on the bus. Of course the answer is always the same, replied the other old man on the train. Then what of minus by minus, a clever mind would ask, since multiplication is a difficult task? The answer is positive, to state it quite clearly. You'll do good to remember and keep it quite dearly.